I'm going sourcing today. I'm not sure exactly where, so it's kind of a mystery sourcing day. Not sure where we'll end up, but come along and see what we can find to resell on eBay. Hi everyone, I'm Vicki with Avante-Avenue. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining me. If you're coming back, thank you for that too. I'm a full-time reseller on eBay. And yeah, we're going sourcing today. Mystery sourcing. Looks like we're going to the ReStore. See what we can find to resell on our mystery sourcing day. I hope they have something good today. I hope. We're at the ReStore, going in to see what we can find to resell. Can't wait. Got my basket and my mask. Let's go. Always look forward to going to the Habitat for Humanity ReStore. This is a really nice one. Oh, they don't open till 12. Good thing we didn't come any earlier. Got some free stuff coming in. And lots of other stuff. Let's see what's on sale today. Full price, 20% off, 30% off, 40% off. Let's see if we can find something. Always lots of furniture. $35. I wonder what's in here. Do you buy flatware to resell? I've never purchased anything in such a large lot, but let's take a look at it. 1881 by Onita. Plantation in Rogers. As I said, they wanted $35 for it, and this sold comp on eBay is only $70 plus free ship, so I decided to pass. Love this basket. It's $10, but it's too big to ship. It's gigantic. Wow, love it though. Got craft stuff and games. Lots of furniture. We have here an authentic Knickerbocker Raggedy Ann. She's pretty stained. I don't know if she still has any value or not. I have to look her up. I went $5. That's quite a bit. As soon as I got in the ReStore today, I spotted this cute little Raggedy Ann. What stood out to me is that she has her original tag. She is an authentic Knickerbocker doll. Paid $5, so I paid up a little bit. She's not in the best condition. She has some staining here and there. And if she had her mate Raggedy Andy, she could be worth $80 to $100. Even though she has some staining, it's this original tag that I'm going to list her for $39.95 plus shipping, as is. She's sold on offer for $25 plus shipping. Stains, wear, and all. Saying of the day, I love you more than biscuits and gravy. We were just at Bob Evans and they have the same sign on a t-shirt. It's $5, originally $12.95 at Kirkland's. Too funny. I always look through the office supplies to see if I can find any ink cartridges to resell. I don't know if you look for these, but when you can find new sealed cartridges, you can make a decent profit on them. And normally they're pretty cheap in a thrift store compared to how much they cost when you buy them new in a regular retail store. And this Epson 98T0982 Cyan ink cartridge sold for $14.95, and I did have free shipping on it. As I said, I love reselling new ink cartridges, and I have more to show you. This Epson ink cartridge is kind of unusual. It's light magenta. We paid $2 for it. This one is still listed on eBay. It's new old stock in a light magenta. Listed for $24.95 plus shipping. And this, well, it was taped shut, but we opened it. It's $3 for a box of Epson ink cartridges. And we were surprised when we looked inside to find out that there was, yes, one black that you would expect, okay. But instead of having a magenta, there were 2 cyan and 2 yellow. Even so, they all go to the same model of printer. They're all under the same ink number. So these are going for about $10 each, and the black is going for about $20. So we will list these for, believe it or not, listed for $69.95 plus shipping. Of course, with make offer. And we paid only $3. Do you pick up ink cartridges? We pick them up all the time, and we're always thrilled to find new sealed cartridges. Sometimes I find accessories in the furniture area, so I always like to take a look. So what do I have here? I have some record holders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a brass one. Ooh, $1 each. Okay, the brass is free. I decided to list these on Facebook Marketplace before putting them on eBay. I've got the 5-count lot of vintage racks for $50 with pickup. I found this piece kind of strange. It says on the back, Wilton Armitage, and it's a cabbage design, a serving dish and dip bowl. And when I checked on eBay, they're going anywhere from less than $8 to less than $25 plus shipping. They wanted $10 for it, so I decided to pass. I always like to check out the pots and pans, and I saw this one down here. It's huge, but they want $20 for it because it just came in. It's let me see if I can turn it upside down. It's Alltrex. There's a number on it, but you know, it's probably worth about $30 on eBay, but that's just not enough profit. I have some amber glass here, $3. These just came in on this ticket, so no discount. I'm not sure how well the amber is selling. I know years back I used to decorate with it a lot. I wish I knew who the maker was on these. Maybe I'll take a look and see what I can find. It took me a while to find these on eBay. It's Indiana glass. It's footed. It's got a leaf pattern. $3 isn't too bad, but I couldn't find any solds for them. I could put these together as a set of 2. Might be able to get about 25 out of them. So I decided to list my 2 Anchor Hawking amber dishes for $26.95 plus shipping. This is worth about $7.50. They want $3 for it, so I'm going to pass. This glass vase caught my attention. It's got some scuffing. Yeah, might clean up, might not. It's $3, and it says Wedgwood. Won't be easy to photograph. How much is it? $3. A similar one on eBay was listed for $38.99. And of course I found out from the bottom of the bowl that it's a Wedgwood, and I listed it for $39.95 plus shipping. Lots and lots of cups. Most of their coffee cups are only 50 cents, so I always have to check them out. Look at these. IKEA 21533. Okay, I looked it up. 50 cents each. 5, not 6. I could sell them as replacements. I don't know. How much do you think they're worth? Keep watching. I'll show you here. 4 of these IKEA mugs sold on eBay for $19.99 plus ship. But I have 5 of them, and I decided to try them at $39.95 plus shipping with make offer. I'm checking out this pattern here. It's pretty, basically. 222 Fifth. I looked at the label underneath, and it's Spice Road. They want $2 for these cups. Normally the cups are 50 cents each. One did sell for $9.95 on eBay. One plate sells for $9.95. Not sure what they went for those, but I just don't think there's enough profit at $2 a cup. These vintage corn on the cob pieces are collectible. It shows here on eBay that they're vintage from the 1950s. It shows a large and small pitcher. I just have the small one, no lid for it. And I listed it on eBay for $29.95. It's currently on sale for $25.46 plus shipping. Blue and white pottery, which can sell well. It's a fan that you hear in the background, a really, really loud fan. I'm going to check this out. When I saw these sold comps on eBay for Bruning Studio, I decided to go ahead and pick this up. One of the things that I do when I get home from sourcing is to write everything down in my notebook and to do my research. Here's my notebook. I picked up this pottery piece, this cup or mug from the ReStore, paid $3 for it. It says on the bottom, Bruning, B-R-U-N-I-N-G. It's kind of hard to read. There's no date on it. So of course I go to eBay comps, but I also like to Google names like this. And this is a pottery company, Bruning Pottery, out of Washington. The company, Bruning Pottery, was started in the 1980s by husband and wife Judy and Larry. And to my surprise, I just found out that Larry passed away very recently in April. April 19th. I was just very surprised by that. That's not something that I typically find when I'm doing my research and being so recent. They still have a website selling some of their pieces. I couldn't find this exact cup, but I will be listing it for, I listed it for $29.95 plus shipping. I have it here, Jim Shore, Angel. I have to check her out. I have this Jim Shore Angel figurine that might be worth about $39.95. It has the Jim Shore information on the bottom. And there's several out there right now, so it might take a while to sell, but we'll get it listed. I decided to list her for $49.95 plus shipping. And I did pay up for that. I paid $5. Germany. Check this St. Bernard out. It's plastic. Can't find any markings on it, but boy, is that unique. Nice size too. I think I'm going to take a chance on this. What do you think? Go home with me? Little puppy? Yeah. There's hardly anything that looks vintage to me that I pass by. I'm always picking it up, looking it over, checking it out to see what it is. Same thing with this. Check out this puppy dog, this St. Bernard dog. He was $3, and at first I couldn't find any markings on him. Then I went to eBay and did a quick search in the store and found out, where is it here? Found out that the marking is inside one of these legs. The brand on this is Breyer, B-R-E-Y-E-R. This is vintage. It's a large scale plastic St. Bernard, and I can list this for $24.95 plus shipping. This is the kind of dog I need around here. This vintage 1970s Breyer St. Bernard dog sold for $25 plus shipping. These are normally shipped. I think they're pretty good. Two of them, $2 each. It's a maybe. Picked up these two Indiana glass votive cups and trays. And you know what? Paid $2 each. Not too bad. I'll list the two of them together for $39.95 plus shipping. I just noticed that we have the diamond cut pattern on the tray and more of a fluted pattern on the votive. I'm not sure if that'll make much difference or not, but you know, we'll find out. I probably have diamond pattern ones downstairs that I can change out. I did change out the votive cups to the diamond pattern. I think it looks a lot better. Listed them for $34.95, but they're currently on sale for $29.71 plus shipping. Oh, kitty cat, little creamer. It's really cute. Handmade pottery, but there's no markings on it. I'm going to get this kitty cat creamer for $3. No branding. I'm going to put it on eBay starting at $3 plus shipping, and if you'd like to bid on it, well, you're the first ones to know about it. So look for it on eBay. Our store link is in the description below. Another little something that I picked up, if you'd like to bid on it, auction starts today. This little creamer, look at that little kitty cat on there. Isn't that cute as can be? Paid $3 for it, and yes, I'm going to start the auction at only $3 plus shipping, of course. And if you're interested in trying to win this, I did show it in the video here. Go to my link in the description below and check out the listing and put in your bid. What is this? Little compote dish. Markings. That's kind of different. Doesn't look very old. It's $5. I can never read the marks. I mean, it is pretty, but I don't want to pay $5 for it. We've got too many other good things to list. Let's check out the other plates and see if we can find anything. That's sweet too. Avon Gentle Moments plate, $1, 1975. I don't know. Sometimes I pick up collector's plates, but not always. This is a neat bowl, but I do not know what that logo means. But I like the bowl. There's a Calphalon skillet. It's supposed to be over there, but it's over here. I don't know if somebody put it here to come back to it. It looks in pretty rough shape, and it's $15. I'm just going to leave it there. What are these? $2 each. Oh, Cracker Barrel. These look like old restaurant ware. Little saucers. Homer Laughlin. They might have some value, but I don't know. I have so many dishes right now. The Arcs, France. How much is it? $5. So maybe, I guess. It's only selling for about $10 on eBay, and they want $5 for it, so I'll pass. Let's go out, and let's stay in. That's kind of cute. I just want you to see this lamp. I don't know if these two pieces go together, but check out this melt glass lamp with this gigantic globe. It looks crazy. Oh, I love it. $15. It's too bad. I was about to buy that. Should have looked at the price first, but it was fun. The fun was free. If you would like to bid on this cat face art pottery, the eBay auction is starting at $3, and it's starting at the time this video is released. The auction link is in the description below this video. If you're watching this video much later, it might have sold. If you like these kind of videos, I appreciate a thumbs up. I invite you to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. I'll see you soon. Simple sales for good profit.